Two stocks to buy right now in October 2025. Markets are on edge. Currencies are swinging. Investors are nervous. But here's the truth. In every period of volatility, there are always a few opportunities that stand out. A chance to position yourself where the big money is flowing. Today, I'll break down two stocks you should seriously consider in October 2025. These aren't wild speculations. They're companies with strong fundamentals, global relevance, and a positioning that could thrive even in uncertain times. Because when markets are shaky, wealth doesn't disappear, it simply moves. And knowing where it's moving is the key. Let's dive in. The big picture. Before we reveal the names, let's zoom out and understand the landscape. Inflation is slowing globally, but uncertainty remains about central bank policies. Interest rates may start to pivot down in 2026, but right now borrowing costs are still high. Currencies like the pound and euro are under pressure, while the US dollar has been volatile. Geopolitical risks, wars, supply chain tensions, and energy struggles remain front-page news. In other words, volatility. And volatility often creates discounts in companies that have long-term growth locked in. So when we talk about two stocks to buy right now, we're not talking about chasing hype or meme plays. We're talking about strong companies positioned in megatrends that will shape the next decade. Stock pick 1, NVIDIA, NVDA. The first stock is NVIDIA. Yes, the AI powerhouse. And you might be thinking, wait, hasn't NVIDIA already exploded in value? Isn't it too late? The truth is, NVIDIA is no longer just a chip company. It's the backbone of artificial intelligence, data centers, and autonomous technology. Let's break down why it's still a buy in October 2025. 1. AI revolution is just beginning. AI adoption is spreading across industries, healthcare, finance, defense, education. Every AI model from ChatGPT-like systems to autonomous robots runs on GPUs. NVIDIA dominates this space with over 80% market share. 2. Data center growth. Data is the new oil. Every tech company is racing to expand computing capacity. In Q3 2025, NVIDIA's data center revenue grew over 40% year-on-year, fueled by demand for cloud and AI workloads. 3. Moat and ecosystem. Competitors like AMD and Intel are trying, but NVIDIA's CUDA software ecosystem locks developers in. It's not just hardware, it's an entire AI ecosystem. 4. Valuation versus future growth. Yes, the stock looks expensive on a PE basis, but investors aren't paying for today's earnings. They're paying for a future where AI could be a $15 trillion industry by 2030. Every major technological shift had its backbone stock. The railroads, the oil giants, the dot-com leaders. AI will be no different, and NVIDIA is its foundation stone. Lesson from history. Think about Amazon in 2001. People said it was overpriced, trading at insane multiples, but those who understood the internet's future turned a few $1,000s into millions. NVIDIA in 2025 is in that same category. Volatile? Yes. Risky? Sure. But in the next decade, few companies are as critical to the next wave of innovation. Stock pick 2, ExxonMobil Zoom. The second stock might surprise you. While the world talks about clean energy, AI, and tech, energy security is still the ultimate foundation of modern economies. That's why ExxonMobil, one of the largest energy companies in the world, is still a strong buy in October 2025. Here's why. 1. Energy demand isn't going away. Despite clean energy growth, oil demand is forecast to remain strong into the 2030s. Emerging markets, India, Southeast Asia, Africa, are consuming record energy as their middle classes expand. 2. Oil prices above $90. With wars and geopolitical tensions, oil supply is fragile. OPEC cuts have kept prices high. High prices equal strong profits for Exxon. 3. Cash flow and dividends. Exxon is a cash machine. Its dividend yield in 2025 is over 3.5%, making it attractive for income investors. Share buybacks are strong, rewarding long-term holders. 4. Diversification and future energy. Exxon is also investing heavily in carbon capture, hydrogen, and new energy solutions. It's not just an oil giant, it's an energy transition player. In uncertain times, investors run to stability, and ExxonMobil has the size, the cash, and the strategic position to weather almost any storm. If AI is the future of technology, energy is the fuel that keeps the present alive. Comparing the two, so what do we have? NVIDIA. High growth, innovation, future-focused. Volatile but explosive potential. ExxonMobil. Stable, dividend-paying, defensive. A cash cow in volatile markets. Together, they represent a balanced strategy: growth plus defense, future plus present, AI plus energy. How to approach investing? Now, let's be clear. This is not financial advice, it's an analysis. You need to do your own research, understand your risk tolerance, and invest accordingly. But one strategy to consider: put your growth allocation into NVIDIA. Accept volatility, but aim for long-term compounding. Put your defensive allocation into ExxonMobil. Collect dividends, enjoy stability, and hedge against inflation. This way, you're not betting all on one horse. You're balancing innovation and stability. Risks to watch. Every opportunity comes with risks. For NVIDIA, risks include overvaluation, competition, and potential regulation around AI. For Exxon, risks include an accelerated energy transition, political pressure, and commodity price swings. But here's the bigger risk: doing nothing. Sitting on the sidelines out of fear while smart money positions itself often costs investors more than short-term volatility. Conclusion. So there you have it, 2 stocks to buy right now in October 2025. NVIDIA, the backbone of the AI revolution. ExxonMobil, the powerhouse of global energy. Together, they represent the twin forces driving our world: innovation and energy. The question is, will you position yourself alongside the institutions, or will you sit back and watch another wealth transfer happen without you? If this video gave you value, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly market insights, and comment below. Which of these 2 stocks would you buy today, and why? Remember, opportunity doesn't wait, and neither should you. This is Felix. See you next time.